Hello team, just a basic operational video on how to use the crypto trading bot LTC. Amazing bot, pays 4% daily. We're getting great results off this. I suggest you give it a look. Well, to start us off, you can see at the bottom of the screen, first thing you're going to notice is the balance. So we give this a click like that, and that's going to give us an updated figure of what our contracts have paid out to date or today. This obviously is going to fluctuate depending on how many coins you've got in the bot. In terms of daily payouts, I've put a calculator on the site in the link section so you can gauge how much you're going to get versus how much you're putting in. Good returns on this bot. You'll be looking at, after your contracts fall off, you'll be looking at probably doubling your original investment. The more you compound, the more you're going to make. So you just click balance on there. Your reinvestment amount in this bot is 0.2, so you can't do an investment till you've reached that figure. Suggest you get to that figure ASAP. It really takes off. Your next tab you've got here is investments. Gives you loads of info here to go through in terms of your rates. 4%, 4.25%, all the way up to 5% for special offers. How this is describing it, what you've got to remember, guys, is this percentage is based on your initial investment amount. So don't think once you hit 5 Litecoins that you're going to get more of a percentage. This is if you start off on 5 Litecoins, you're going to get 4.25% a day. And same as if you look down, if you start off on 50 Litecoins, you're going to get 4.75% a day. So it's probably out of the reach for most people to achieve them higher gains. But the 4%, to be honest with you guys, is ample to make some nice money. Then you've got invite friends. That's going to give you your share link to create your downline. As I've said on the site, this is in the wife's name. It's a sort of proof of concept bot. 5 Litecoins, 1 bot over 30 days. So she hasn't got anybody in her downline. You can see the upline there. But yeah, purposely we haven't got anybody in the downline for this because I want to show the group what you can earn passive. If you create a downline, obviously you're going to earn a little bit more through commissions. Oh, we're having a pause a minute. Yeah, and commissions are going to be paid at a rates of 5% for your tier 1, I do believe. One minute, guys. There you go. Sorry about that. It took a minute to get back there. Yeah, your returns are going to be paid at 5% for your downline. You've got your next one is going to be support button just there. That's if you've got an issue, you can open a ticket, frequently asked questions, tutorials, although I'd stick to your upline if you need some advice. There's no need to bother the corporate side of things. Your upline's going to be able to help you with most things really. It's pretty simple to use. Right, let's go back to the home page. Looks to be running a bit slow today. There must be lots of people buying. Your next section is going to be withdraw. So you hit your withdraw button. As you can see there, your minimum withdrawal is 0.2. And then you've got your withdrawal wallet address, which you can change. I suggest changing it with every withdrawal. I mean, that wallet address there is for mine. If you want to put money into my account, be my guest. I won't recommend it though. Stick to it. Build your own wealth. And all you do there is change your wallet address using the button there. You enter your new address by copying and pasting it into the message bar there. So you paste that in. Once that's in, all you do is type in the amount. So if you wanted to withdraw 1 LTC, you'd write 1. If you wanted to withdraw 5, you'd write 5. If you want to withdraw 0.2346, that's what you would withdraw, and you'd press send. It is really that simple, guys. I've got detailed videos on how to withdraw from this bot anyway. Just check the links on the website. And then you've got statistics. On the statistics, it's going to give you information of when the bot started running, total number of users, total number of investments and withdrawals, and how much Litecoin people have withdrawn from the bot, which is nearly 14,000 Litecoins. I'd like to have 10% of that. That's for sure. Somebody's got to be at the top of the tree. And that, guys, is just about it, really. So that's taken you through all the sort of basic operations of the crypto trading bot. Very good bot. Like I say, suggest you get involved in it. Just remember, only to invest what you can afford to lose. As we state on our website, we classify this bot as a medium risk bot. So aim to get your stakes back and then go for broke. That's all I can say really, guys. I mean, we've been in it for 3 months now. We've took more than our returns are. We've got people in the group who's doing amazingly well in this bot. So it's definitely worth a look. I'd say in terms of percentage daily payouts and what we're getting out of it in terms of returns, it's got to be the best thing on the market at the minute, crypto trading. iCenter's a close second, due primarily due to it being, I'd say, a lot more viable long term. But no, get on board, guys. It's amazing. Get on board. It's great. I love it. Good luck with your trading, and I'll catch you again.